Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love a good cup of coffee in the morning, and this grinder has been helping me make that every morning since I've gotten it. So this grinder is by ICUIRE, and I feel like this grinder was made for me. It has everything that I wanted in a grinder. First of all, it's small. You can see in comparison to a 16-ounce bottle, it's about the same size. I also love how it charges. I love that it doesn't take up counter space, and then each morning I don't have to plug it in and unplug it. It's just good to go. It fits really easily into my drawer with all my coffee and tea products. And a super nice feature, because I'm one who likes to start something and then forget all about it, is it automatically stops. So once you put the coffee beans in and you turn it on, once it senses no more beans, it automatically shuts off. I also have an embarrassing confession to make. I'm new at this whole coffee grinding thing, so I hope this helps someone. I saw these dots and I thought, for my espresso, I want really fine grounds. So I turned up the power all the way to the biggest dot, because that makes sense, right? No, the dot is the size of the grind. So if you want coarse grind for like French roast, go to the big dot. If you want fine grind for espresso, you want to go to the small dot. So this doesn't mean low, it means fine grind. I hope that helps someone. This would be perfect for anyone who likes to take their coffee on the go, because it's so small, you could pack it easily. Since it charges, you could take it camping. This thing is just phenomenal. So if you're looking for an easy, convenient way to grind your coffee, this one by ICUIRE is a perfect match for you too, I'm sure. And that's my point of view.